check. Look at this.
Qué suerte que tengo que prestarle.
Okay, watch. See how it changed? Magic part. You see?
Yeah, that's a little bit. This is to prevent the tortilla to stick to the pan, okay? Also, tortillas is a happier tortilla if you make it fast, okay?
So, it is easy. Yeah, you're gonna make one. Otherwise, but little, not too much. Okay? So now, I told you I like them creamy inside and these are very thin. So this is almost ready to flip, okay? We flip it. We do like this. We're gonna do the same way, grandma style, okay? Because before I used to encourage you to flip the tortillas, but half of the tortillas finished over the counter, the table, and it was a mess. And she hates to clean the front. So we're gonna make like this. This and we do the confident move, like this. We put the pan back in the stove. We can add a little bit more oil, just a little bit, and very stupid trick, but you don't slide it back like this. Slide it back like so, and it fits. We finish to cook to the desired point. We can make the edges nicer, and we have our tortillas now. Yes.